Hi friends, welcome again. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give a big thumbs up so that you can get the updated view of Nifty for next day. Okay. So let's go to the analysis, and here we are in the 1 hour time frame analysis. Yesterday what I told you that, so this is the line, say 14,750. Nifty could take support if it is coming below this line, or below this 13 days moving average low. Okay, if it is closing, and I have again and again you told that you have to see that Nifty, the candle must close below. Okay, candle must close below the level. Okay, whatever the level I am giving, whether you are going to exit from here or whether you have to going from exit from here. Okay, so it should close below this level. Okay, if you are closing, if you are long and you want to close your long position, so if you want to close your long position, you should exit according to your risk appetite. You could exit below this 14,750, or otherwise 13 days moving average low. Okay, when you see two red candles. So right now Nifty today took support near this 14,750 and it is not closed. Okay, it is not closed. So yesterday also I told you that I am still holding my long. Okay, and I am looking for the target of 14,930. Today it almost make this target 14,913. Okay, 14,913. So I have not exited my position till yet, but one thing I will let you know, that this is the fifth internal move. Okay, this is the move which is going on. Each move is having a 5 waves. Okay, so let me tell you, this is the internal wave, the internal wave of this wave. Okay, which is the fifth move, and inside the fifth move also we will have the 1 2 3 4 5 moves. 1 2 3 4 5 moves. So right now if I will tell you, this is the fourth move completed over here or here. Okay, let me tell you, so it doesn't matter. So now if it is completed over here, so so 14,927, yesterday I was giving you the target, right? 14,929 or 930 was I am giving you the target for this, where the internal moves will get completed. Okay, get complete. But till today also it didn't complete. Today it took the support and went again. So I am looking for the 14,930. If it is crossing above, then the target would be 14,000, 15,145 to 200, 14,195 around. Okay, so see, this is the fifth impulse move. It will be like that only, and you cannot tell where it will complete. Always I am telling that fifth wave you cannot tell where it will complete. Even if you can tell the third wave and fourth wave where it will complete, you cannot tell fifth wave where it will complete. So we have to ride the trend. We have to ride the trend. For riding the trend, what I have told you, I have always told you, I have given my indicator also, that this 13 moving average low, if it is coming, okay, in this one, in the 1 hour time frame, you can exit your position. Today also it is along the trend line, along the moving average only, and you could see that this negative divergence it is making over here. Okay, the negative divergence will be always there to trap the retailers, and see, to trap the retailers. So that is not a problem. Okay, negative divergence will be always there, and it is always visible in the last move. Okay, last move of the any wave one, if it is a wave one also, any wave, when it is making a 5 wave, there will be a negative divergence. Okay, there will be impulse move and there will be a negative divergence. and from here it will fall. Okay, from here it will fall. And what I am telling you, that once it is fall, then it will make wave 2, and from wave 2 we'll see that how it is, the counting will come, and wave 3. So what I was telling, that you can exit your long position if you are holding still. You can exit your long position once it is come below this 13 days moving average low. Okay, if you see two candlesticks subsequently, and now it is a divergence also, you can exit. I am still holding my long, so I have to not worry because my position is hedged. And I am looking for the target. First target is 14,930, then 15,145 to 200. So that is what I am telling. Okay, now coming to Bank Nifty also. So coming to Bank Nifty, yesterday only I told that in the Bank Nifty some move is still left. So I think I think today it gave down and again it started moving. Okay, so in Bank Nifty also, but the move is now yet to come. It is going to complete by 35,624. Okay, tomorrow if you see a gap up, and then it will start, I think it will start some fall. Okay, so be cautious for that. So Bank Nifty is also showing some divergence, and so we could see tomorrow we may fall. Okay, tomorrow we may fall. I am not telling that we could fall. So this is the target, 35,624, and 35,924 is the target for the long. Okay, and this is the resistance also. So Bank Nifty and Nifty both are in the fifth up move of this wave. Okay, tomorrow we'll see that what is the level it is coming after fall. Okay, so 35,624 and 35,924, hold on. If it is falling, then the level, then you should you see the support over here. Let me check this. Okay, so this is what I am seeing. So if Bank Nifty is falling tomorrow, okay, you should see that this, if it is coming below this red color moving average low, then you should exit. You can mark my indicator, 13 days moving average low. Okay, so here if it is coming below the candle, if it is coming below, then you can exit. And another one support is 34,237. Okay, if you are not exiting by, if it is coming below this, you should exit. Okay, otherwise whatever earned money you will lose it. So one more support, it will come actually over here, then we can move to this wave 2. That I will check tomorrow and let you know, because if it is falling from here, how much it can fall. Okay, yeah, it can fall till 32,809 if it is at all falling. Otherwise, if it is rising along this trend, no more to be worried. Okay, because this is the fifth move of this wave, so it can be in impulse, and we don't know where it will finish. Okay, so let it rise, but this zone you mark it, 35,624 and 35,924. Here you should be very cautious, because this is where it will get matured. Okay, above that I don't think no more rise will come, so it may consolidate and fall. Okay, so let's see you tomorrow. I will update you by tomorrow evening. Okay, bye.